Shaking the room from the back to the center, making you move to the track you surrender.